Hello, everyone. Welcome to ViWizard official channel. Today we are going to figure out how to connect Tidal music to Last.fm with 2 easy ways. Now, here we go. The first way is to link your Tidal account to Last.fm on your desktop. Launch the Tidal app on your computer and click on the 3 dots next your profile to select Settings. Scroll down to locate the Connect section and you can see Last.fm is displayed here. Click on the Connect button at the right side, which will redirect you to the Last.fm website in your browser. Click on the red button to permit Tidal access your Last.fm account. When prompted, click Open Tidal. If there is a disconnect button at the right side of Last.fm, then the connection is done. Another way is to link your Tidal account to Last.fm with your phone. Firstly, go to the Tidal Music app on your phone. Hit the gear icon, tap on Connect bar and you will see your Last.fm is not connected. Hit on it and log in with your Last.fm account and password. Then your Last.fm will start scrobble your listening music and store them for you. As a bonus tip, we provide you with easy steps to download your favorite Tidal music with ViWizard. Launch ViWizard Tidal Music on your desktop and you can see a built-in Tidal player in the main interface. Search for the tracks or albums you want to download. Once you select them, click on the big blue button at the lower right corner to add them to ViWizard Converter. When all the tracks are loaded, you can check them at the converting section. Now you can customize the output settings from the top right button. Select Preference bar to start personalizing the output formats, sample rate and bit rate and more. Click on OK to save the settings. When all is ready, you can begin converting by clicking on the Convert button at the bottom. Within a few seconds, all the Tidal tracks will be converted and downloaded to your local folders. If you found this video any useful, don't hesitate to give a thumbs up and follow our channel for more contents.